Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I'll be scrapbooking some lovely summer photos using my How to Kill a Kit with Style May kit. If you guys didn't know, I did page kits for May and I will have the May playlist linked down below in case you guys want to watch the whole thing, you know, me making the kit, that sort of thing, and then me using all the kit pieces that I put together. So today I'm pulling out this page kit here and these two photos of me feeding a giraffe, which was a very fun experience. And these will be the main photos for this layout. As you can tell, the background is that sort of geometric pattern. It's sort of a triangle square motif with different colors, which is from Jen Hadfield Everyday Collection. And my ATG gun had to break in the middle of it, and then I just have to change the roll because I am out. So once that is taken care of, then I am going to finish gluing down these photos to mat on this bright green paper, which is from DCWV. If you guys are new to my channel, I love to mix and match papers from different collections and paper pads, and that's what I do with a majority of my page kits. I rarely have enough from a collection to use it all together, but I definitely enjoy using various pieces from different collections together. I have this cut apart sheet from the same DCWV paper pad, and one of these says "This is the life" with a little popsicle. And while I don't need the popsicle, I really like the sentiment on this card, as well as the color pink it was, because I love to mix and match pinks. I think they go together always, and you can tell there's a lot of pinks on this background, so it makes it very easy to pull those out to try to use them. I haven't decided on the full design of this layout yet. I will say that I've done a lot of 2 4x6 photos layouts this month, and they are starting to look a little bit repetitive. Same color schemes, same designs, but I hope you guys don't mind seeing the variants and the options you can do for these. Here I'm cutting out this little camera that came from my American Crafts sticker book. It's just the everyday sticker book, and I picked mine up at Tuesday morning, but I believe these are also available at Hobby Lobby and some of the other retailers. So there's that little camera which has yellow and pink in it, so it matches the background pretty well. And now I'm going to start sorting through my die cuts. And here I find a camera. This one's from Illustrated Faith, and it matches pretty well with the theme of the layout here, capturing the moment. I layer those cameras together, sort of creating a fun cluster on the left-hand side and also covering up that popsicle, which I didn't really want. And then here I pick out a doily, which I intended to cut in half, but instead I actually run over, so I'm going to cut it with my scissors in half to create a softer base around my photos. So if you have a busy pattern paper, using doilies, vellum, or even tissue paper helps create a softer look around your photos so they don't get, brought into the mess of a busy background. And you guys know that I love to use busy backgrounds lately, and I hope this inspires you guys to use your own busy backgrounds. I'm back with my sticker book now, and I'm pulling out some of these phrase stickers. A lot of them were along the same lines. I will say they got a little bit repetitive, but I was sort of using them to build out my clusters in a little bit of a bigger style. So I'm using those to sort of stack and build the cluster out. I also pulled out one of those little clipboard stickers, which is perfect for journaling, and I'll be using that as a layer as well. I'm just trying to get a lot of use out of the sticker book for this month. It's the first month I've used that sticker book, and you guys will see in the wrap-up at the end of May here how much I was able to use out of that sticker book, which I'm pretty impressed with. But let's start gluing down the main components here. I love when the backgrounds have straight lines, so I can just use my photos on top of those straight lines to make sure they're straight. It's very convenient. I'm going to glue down my title there at the bottom. I do end up tucking that clipboard underneath the big camera. It's a light neon sort of lime green. That's why I picked it out, just to have that color pop because it's in the background as well. So flipping through the rest of my sticker book, I do find another journaling spot. The clipboard that I put down is covered quite a bit, so I didn't want to use that as my journaling spot. So I pull out a tag that's yellow and pink. I believe it does have a word on it, but I can't quite recall what it is. And I just glued that down to the right side of my title that says "This is the Life." And now I'm looking through my Amy Tangerine stickers, my Pink Fresh Studio stickers that are my kit, and then I start using these puffy stickers. I use the pink ones, the orange ones, the yellow ones. Actually, I think I'm out of yellow now, maybe. But I put some of those in each of the clusters to sort of give it a, more robust feel, to give it a little bit more dimension all over the page. And then I also put out a arrow puffy sticker from those Memento stickers. Now I do grab this washi tape, which is a coral color with a little scallop on it, and tuck that beneath my photo in 2 places. Then I'm going to rip another piece and put it on the bottom of that tag, sort of to give it another element and dimension. And if you guys have washi tape that's too thick or you've already glued down your layers, I would recommend ripping it in half or cutting it in half. That way you can tuck it more easily. That's a great way to use washi tape onto layouts, is to tuck it into your layers. Here I'm trying to think of some final options here, and I actually do pull out a roller date stamp. Now this was in last month's kit and I never used it. It's a Simple Stories roller date stamp, or roller phrase stamp. There's no date. I think I use a word that says dream big, and the other one says love this. Nothing too crazy, again, very repetitive with the words on this layout. Granted, my options weren't the best, but after I'm done stamping all 3 of these, that is it for my layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. There are some close-up videos at the end, and you can check out more photos over on my Instagram, which is just @GrayFlorals. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to answer them for you. But I enjoyed this layout, and I hope you guys are enjoying May's How to Kill a Kit with Style project so far. Let me know what you guys would like to see coming up in June. I will be doing a poll over on my community tab here on YouTube to pick out my June kit. So that is it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.